Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson, here today to show you this 2019 NauticStar. This NauticStar is the 227 XTS. Really cool center console boat with the Carolina blue hull. It also has the Minn Kota Riptide trolling motor on the front. As we come back here to the back, it is equipped with the Yamaha 200 4-stroke. And as we hop on the boat here, there's two seats that are open here. There is a third that does open there as well. You can flatten them as if you need, and use it as a step when you are fishing. So we hop into the boat. We got the nice center console here. Both seats do have the flip-up bolsters. Those are kind of nice, that pop right up. We do have a Simrad system. All your gauges, everything that you need here. There also is rod storage on the side, on this side, on the starboard and port side. There's rod storage underneath that and that as well. And then underneath this seat is the livewell. This is a great fishing boat, recreational boat. If you want to see this boat and any others, come on down to MarineMax and take a look. Thank you.